This is Cheryl with Umpqua Web Design, and I'm going to show you how to make a map using Photoshop CS6. And I have created a document here that is, I believe it's 425 by 400. It's not a big deal, you know, what your image size is, but I had just selected a map that I wanted to show rivers and streets, and so the picture that I chose happened to be roughly 425 by 400. Now normally I'll open up an image, open up a document, and then drag the image into the document, and you know, that it started from that point. But this image is a GIF, and I don't know if that makes a difference. Maybe you could use this with any image that you want to drag into a layer. But if you click on File and Place, and then I'm going to select the image that I had chosen, and it is one of these. I think, no, it's not that one. Oh, it's this one. And then I am going to just drag that to where I can use, I just wanted to position that in such a manner that the little extras there aren't showing, and click Transform. So then then what I'm going to do is create a group by clicking on the folder here, and I'm going to place this first layer into that group. You just kind of drag it up until you see a double line there, and that's going to be right underneath. It's going to be within the group. So when I'm there, I'm going to click on the pen tool, and let's enlarge this so that we can see what we're doing. Okay, so using the pen tool, I am going to trace, just for the purpose of demonstration, I'm going to trace this river. Now if you get real good at this, you can do your curves. Doing it this way is a little more tedious, but it gets the job done, and it doesn't have to be perfect. So there's one river, and then I hit escape. I am on a Windows machine, and so I just hit escape, and if I click on the eye here and close that, you can see that I've got the path there. And then I ended up creating a second group and showed the highways. So I did the same kind of activity, and went along, clicked, like this is I-5, and so I clicked all along here, and I clicked all along the Highway 101. I also did another group where I just did the outline of the state, and then what I did is I went in, and if you click on your brush tool, then you can select the size of the brush, and I actually chose, I think I did 4 pixels, and then you've got to make sure that your layer is selected. Color, it's a river, so I wanted it to be blue, and so just pick a color blue, and then go back to the pen tool, right click on it, and stroke path. And then I left this simulate pressure unchecked. I believe that if it's checked, then it shows your path, and I didn't want to do that. So then click OK, and there it is. And so once I got done with all that, my final image looked like this. Hope that helps. And like I say, it doesn't need to be perfect. I chose black for the roads, blue for the rivers, added some highway signs, and I think it'll work. Hope that helps. Talk to you later.